Hello, good evening, everyone. So, welcome to the pre analysis of the upcoming New York session. So, yesterday I have discussed that I was relying on this seller and he gave me some fruitful result. I was able to take a ride of these candles. So, yesterday this was my resistance zone. For today, I have marked this as my resistance zone, and you can clearly see that prices are going nearby that resistance zone. So, let's go to the 15 minutes. Here clearly we can see that there is some what we call it sellers coming. I mean to say some sellers presence can be felt here. So if there is a good price action, then definitely I would be looking to sell this one and would be loving to go for a nice ride for a sell. So let's see how this develops, and here clearly you can see one more thing I want to discuss. Here when the buyer came, he was unable to make a higher high. Clearly you can see he was stopped at this level, so I don't think that buyer have any much power left. And here also you can see they are going very slowly compared to this sellers are very strong, sellers are again very strong, but these buyers are going very slowly. So let's see how this develops when the market opens. Now let's move on to our next pair, pound cad. So today in the London session I was able to grab this up to somewhat this level. Let's close it. So again I am looking for a sell option near about this level. So let's see how this develops, and clearly you can see here, sorry for that background noise, sellers are strong, buyers are weak, they are not strong enough as compared to sellers. And one more thing, in the 4 hour, let me show you. Actually I was relying on this seller, you all know very well. So this was my resistance zone and this was my seller. So price is again trying to reach up to that level. Let's see how this develops, and definitely if it looks good, then I'm going to sell it. And let me mark my zones of selling. So somewhat this should be my level, and I would be willing to grab it up to here. So let's see how this develops. Now the next pair is EURUSD. In EURUSD, let me show you in the 4 hour. So this is a resistance zone coming from a very old price. Okay, from July month. So this was the resistance zone. Now let's go into deep here. Let me delete this one. So once seller came here, he was able to take this buyer. Why I am saying able to take this buyer? Because he came here and he challenged this buyer. Now this buyer again challenged the seller and went higher. Again seller came, this time very strong. He was very strong. But see, again when the buyer came, this time he didn't respond. The seller was absent. It means that he was looking for a better price. I mean to say, let me delete this one. So you might be getting confused. What I want to deliver here is, at this moment when the seller came here at this level, again when price came, he was very weak. He was just able to make this much low. He was just able to move the price up to this level, and again buyer came very hard. So I think seller needs a much better price somewhat near about this level, and the price is approaching that level. So definitely we'll be looking for a sell. If price action goes good, there is some sellers reaction, if we can see the feel the presence of seller, then definitely we'll be going to sell this up to this level. So let's see how this develops. These were all the three pairs from my side for today's New York session. Please trade carefully, and if you feel any doubt, then you can contact me through my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description below, and please like and comment. Thank you.